got green eyes like mine do. And where she go, I'll never know.
Inventory being so low, oftentimes my buyers will walk into properties that need some TLC. What is the best way to be able to get a loan and afford that property if they don't have cash on hand to do the renovation?
So the best option is going to be is a renovation loan. We do conventional renovation loans and FHA renovation loans. You can put the minimum down payment, which on a conventional is going to be 3% down, or an FHA is going to be 3.5% down. And we can go to the county loan limits, which is going to range somewhere in the mid 700,000s. What you can do is, so you buy a property, we actually lend you money on the after appraised value, and depending on which loan type we do, we can have some of the first payments wrapped in the loan as well. So you may go up to 6 months without even a payment. That way you don't double up your payments on your other home. We do handle the draws with the contractor, so you do have a safety net in there as well. And then when you're done, we have the option to refinance you and take advantage of some of that new equity you have. Generally speaking, doing the renovation product, it gives you the customization that you'd like, and also gives you a lot of sweat equity that you wouldn't have if you just bought a home that's already done.
Yeah, that's a great point. The inventory is so little right now. So if you walk into a property that needs renovation, the nice thing is you get to pick all of your options. You're going to get it for a smaller price, and it opens up the doors to more opportunities. So if you see something that you like, but you're concerned about the renovation and the cost of being able to afford it, AS can help you with that loan to be able to make it affordable for you. If you're looking to buy a house, give us a call and we're here to help.